Hi, I'm Chris Wong with the University of California Cooperative Extension and the Division of Agriculture and Natural Resources. Today we'll show you how to start your own edible home garden, which can provide many benefits to those willing to practice this artful science. At a personal level, gardening can increase access to nutrition, physical activity, and reduce the risk of chronic disease. On a social level, gardens can help nurture interpersonal relationships and help forge strong community bonds. Edible home gardens can also decrease the rate of food insecurity and support local economies. An important first step is choosing a good location with ample space for your garden. Avoid areas with too much shade. You'll need 6 to 8 hours of sunlight and access to water. Be sure to clear the space of unwanted grass or weeds. In the low desert region of Southern California in the Imperial Valley, we have two major planting seasons. The cool weather crop season begins at the end of September and continues throughout winter. The warm weather crop season begins in February after the last winter frost and continues throughout the summer. There are many different strategies and techniques to start your own edible home garden. Our focus is on above-ground raised beds and in-ground raised beds. Above-ground raised beds contain native soil that's been mixed with compost and other organic matter. The soil can be contained inside of a brick or wooden box frame. In-ground beds can be prepared by the double digging method. In-ground garden beds can be 2 to 3 feet wide and 18 to 24 inches deep. Adding, conserving, and creating organic matter is most important. Everything begins with healthy soil, given that it's your plant's home. The purpose of tilling and preparing soil is to establish the optimum growing conditions for your roots to stretch and for water to drain. You can level the surface of the bed by raking it, and watering it before planting will promote the growth of beneficial microbes. Adding a layer of mulch to the surface will help maintain soil moisture and temperature, as well as prevent weeds from sprouting up. Throughout the growing season, soil should be kept moist like a wrung-out sponge, not soggy but not dry either. Overwatering your plants may cause your roots to rot. Stressing your plants by allowing your soil to slightly dry will promote extended root growth. Removing weeds and controlling pests is an ongoing task for a healthy garden. Trellising your plants will keep fruit off the ground. Consult UCANR's Integrated Pest Management website for tips on how to control pests and diseases.
I'm going to go off of this side right here.
The process is as important as the end result, so it's good to take notes of what works well.
Cut the grass, we're going to use that box.
Thank you, and remember, planting a seed is believing in tomorrow.